there, today I'm going to show you what I'm making in my kitchen. So I'm making vegetarian risotto. It's definitely not authentic, but it's just my version and it's also kid friendly. So let's get started. And I have my little helper here. Say hi.
So let's start by looking at the ingredients I'll be using for this risotto. Here I have my chopped up broccoli, bell peppers and garlic, along with some oil, and I'll be heating my pan on medium-high. The oil I'm using today had sun-dried tomatoes soaked in it. Of course, I finished all the sun-dried tomatoes, but I don't want to waste this oil as it has a lot of flavor. So I'm going to use this for any Italian cooking that I do. Now in the pan I've added some oil and my chopped garlic. I'm going to let the garlic sizzle until it's golden brown in color. At this stage, I'm going to start adding my vegetables. I've added my bell peppers along with broccoli. And I'm just going to let it stir fry for a while. It doesn't have to be fully cooked as I'm going to cook these with the rice. Now I'm also going to add my seasonings, which is salt, dried basil, oregano and black pepper. I'm starting off with some salt, followed by all my Italian herbs, basil, oregano, followed by a pinch of black pepper. I'm not adding too much pepper as I'm making this kid friendly. Next up, I'm going to start adding my risotto rice to the pan. You can also use any short grain rice if you don't have arborio rice, since it's not easily available everywhere. So it's just a small hack that I use sometimes. Toast the rice a little bit before you add in your water so it gets a bit crunchy, and then I'm going to start adding in water. Now here I've taken 1 cup of rice and I'm only adding 1 cup of water at this stage, and I'm going to repeat this process until my rice is fully cooked. I have my pan on medium high and I'm going to add water little by little. This process should take you about 10 to 15 minutes and then your rice will be fully cooked. It requires a little bit of patience as you have to keep stirring it in between, but it's still a one-pot dish and a great weeknight meal. My risotto is now 90% cooked, and at this stage I'm going to add in some milk to the risotto. Yes, you heard it right. I'm adding in some milk to just make it sort of creamy and give it a nice texture. And now let's finish it off by adding in a good chunk of butter. This is going to give a smooth texture to my risotto. Now you have to note that I'm not adding any cheese to my risotto as I don't like cheese all that much. Of course, now this is not going to make the risotto very authentic without parmesan, but as I said, it's just my version, so do try it out. And that's it guys, your risotto is now ready. You can garnish with some chili flakes if you like it really spicy. I like it really spicy, so I'm going to take some out for my kid and then add a lot of chili flakes into my plate. Now thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. If you do like this, please subscribe. Thank you.